As consumers, we shop both online and offline. In-store shopping requires your time to visit the shop and is more costly than online, but we can instantly have what we need. While online shopping offers convenience and more options to choose from, sometimes it is hard to find the product or get expert guidance right away. This is why RemoteVS was developed to provide shoppers the benefits of online and offline shopping. RemoteVS is an online sales service that offers co-browsing between customers and agents. This product assists customers through the purchase process in real time and make online purchases easier for customers. RemoteVS connects customers and agents in two ways. First, by clicking Request Support on a browser. When a customer needs assistance while shopping online, agents are assigned and connected automatically directly on the browser. Second, by arranging a schedule. When a customer books a remote session in the support management system, a connection URL is sent. Click the link at the scheduled time to join the session. Agents can set their status to available or away in the main page. Available indicates that agents are ready to connect with customers. Recording starts automatically when a customer joins the session. After the session, the administrator can view the recording and develop it as training materials. Agents can switch to avatar mode to talk without showing their faces. Co-browsing allows agents and customers to navigate a web page together in real time. This collaborative feature delivers a high-touch interaction and ensures a seamless customer experience. It facilitates dual control of browser access by clicking the link. Co-browsing is a key tool for onboarding new customers by providing real-time assistance. Agents can securely share documents or images in live chat for a more detailed product explanation. Enhance the collaboration and interact actively with screen sharing. When using co-browsing and file sharing, tools help customers understand better by pointing and highlighting important areas. Agents can share their screens with customers in real time. This is useful when recommending pricing plans and rates. By sharing the URL, customers can easily install a mobile carrier app. Administrators can manage sessions with 3 levels of administrative privileges. Live View enables real-time monitoring of the ongoing session. Discover opportunities to generate more sales online and save costs for the workplace, from making better use of agents' time with innovative sales strategies. With RemoteVS, managing financial services becomes easier without meeting up face-to-face. This will improve work efficiency and bring higher success rate for contracts. RemoteVS ensures customer satisfaction by helping customers save time and money while delivering top-tier services online. Remote support and expert guidance in real time will attract customers from different age groups and elevate their convenience to a new level. Remote Visual Sales offers the ultimate service for your online sales activities. From product overview to purchase contract, whatever suits your business, RemoteVS is ready to serve you in one stop. Maximize your business potential with Remote Visual Sales.